I can hear enormous explosions nearby, and it's been a long time since the new year began, ladies and gentlemen. There are some interesting new developments taking place at the charts, and we will be sure to discuss them. Having said that, I would like to personally welcome you to All and Sundry. I go by the name Nick. Those who aren't already subscribers can click the link at the bottom of the video to sign up. On top of that, the free Discord is where it's at right now. Tell me what's got you all pumped up. Use the registration link at the very end of the text to submit your information. Having said that, let's get right down to business. The year 2024 was a watershed year for many things, not only cryptocurrency, didn't it? The stock market is where it transformed. It became a major concern for almost every asset class, seeing significant fluctuations. The addition of $7.11 trillion to the U.S. stock market in 2024 is something to consider if we give this some serious thought. A considerable yaw was also observed by crypto. As you may be aware, Bitcoin's value skyrocketed. Quite a few antique coins have also been meticulously cleaned. It seems to me that this is only the beginning, though, again in the year 2025. The time has come, everyone. Please tell me more about the monumental year that crypto is going to have this year. I was almost entirely accurate when I predicted that January would be a banner month. I've mentioned that before. Still, crypto will have a banner year in 2025. Bitcoin seems to be struggling in the cryptocurrency market at the moment. We need to resolve this immediately. Without a doubt, I intend to swap the 30-day for the following day. Now that we're seeing significant changes on the 24-hour chart again, I also need to adjust the 60-day period to the latest 7 days. Regarding Ethereum and Bitcoin, nothing out of the ordinary. However, unexpectedly returned to the top 3. Very few people were mentioning this tactic because it was so understated. Our current selling price is over $2.40. It has gained 14% in the past 24 hours and approximately 5% in the past week. Still, at the 90-day percent gain, it's over 260% higher. Furthermore, when we examine the top 100 gainers in the past 24 hours, the price of XLM has risen by over 27%, which once again has recently produced an XLM video lamenting the fact that the coin is practically unheard of. More than 20% of XTC's value has been added since then. Almost 20% improvement was made to the algorithm. You are aware that the most profitable cryptocurrencies are ADA, QT, HB, HBAR, and ADA. A great number of software projects are now active. Could it be that 2025 is a fantastic year for cryptocurrency and Mika is involved? Perhaps not at this moment. Pay attention, folks. Everyone knows what's happening. Everyone is aware that you're aware that Mika is now having an impact. In the U.S., the regulations will be revised. We have knowledge that the crypto manager for this season began operations on the 20th. On the 20th, Gary Gensler will be departing, as you are also aware. Thus, 2025 promises to be a very eventful year. That seems to be the current situation. It would appear that the stock market is expecting a banner year in 2025. Consequently, we've hired you to start preparing right away and have additional conversations. Thus, the volume of XRP exchanged recently is up nearly 100%. Starting at $8 billion and spanning over 9 elements. Not only that, but if we go to the cash leap mail section, see how people are getting around. There were no astronomically high amounts of XRP transferred during the Beyond Minute. We were barely 1,000. For that reason, it would occasionally reach 3 million. The highest element extract, however, is beginning to show rapid growth in our sales. More and more individuals are taking an interest in XRP and similar utility projects. There was no error there. Preparations are currently underway. Even while December wasn't a particularly positive month for XRP, the price action across the XRP ledger. The XRP ledger token market cap reached a new high, according to the actual XRP ledger. The amount need to exceed $344 million. Now that we have that out of the way, the trust lines can be seen as lines that accept something as true. This means that prospective purchasers engaged in more than 25.6 million exchanges, a catalog of 17,000 items that are owned by individuals, a 7,000 item inventory of personal possessions. The initial estimate put the number at 7 million. We may observe that there are slightly more than 10 million DEX transactions and slightly more than 5.3 million unified changes. Take note, I realize it's not quite as wild as October or November. I believe it is beneficial that we are still seeing there will be a total of 25. Come on, we're getting back to XRP. We have now seen the history of XRP. Where are those records now? Now, we may go on to the post that the people who believe in blockchain made. New Year's greetings from all of us. There are 25 charts. This past year, XRP finally hit its all-time high, a feat that took 7 years to accomplish. It could be helpful to see it on this graph as well. Here we have quite powerful data. Just so everyone knows, XRP today is legit. As I film this video, XRP is doing exceptionally well on the charts. I have been sharing with you all about my recent emotional struggles, so I thought it would be fitting to discuss it in this video. Things were looking well on the chart until this point, so I hope some of you paid attention. People in those marketplaces are attempting to predict what's going to happen, so using the word ideal wouldn't work. However, at this time, we will focus on the chart. Coincident with XRP's most unprecedented or highest ever yearly close, its trading volume has surpassed Bitcoin on South Korea's largest exchanges, an indication of a dynamic market that frequently causes price volatility. Actually, this came out yesterday or maybe even a few days ago, given that this video isn't going anywhere. On the other hand, this became on December 31st at approximately 5 a.m. According to Anthony Welfare, a former employee of Ripple, the quote states that the trade volume of XRP is 10 times more than that of Ethereum and twice that of Bitcoin. Best wishes for the new year to all XRP holders. Stakeholders, including current and prospective traders. In the past 24 hours, the total value of buying and trading on reputable Upit, the Thumb, Authentic, and Corbett, the largest U.S. exchanges in terms of volume and customer base, surpassed $800 million. On both exchanges, the quantity spent purchasing and selling XRP were above 600 million, whereas those spent buying and selling Bitcoin were around half of this. Even outside of XRP, interest in Doge and Ether has plummeted, with demand reaching just 10% of what it was for XRP. XRP may be enjoying some much-deserved fame at the moment due to its prominent position. Incredibly, it also deals with Bitcoin. Still, it's just the start. Regardless of what people think, I believe XRP is making history. It goes without saying that XRP is doing well if you want to bring it up in conversation. The performance of XRP has been excellent. Actually, our current level is lower than our all-time highs. However, I can see XRP trading above its all-time high, so I do believe that there will be a significant change this year when we break through the all-time highs. It seems to me that it should be able to. If it doesn't, then something is seriously wrong. Because if we only look at the last 12 months after we cross the finish line, 2024 will be a terrific year for XRP, right? A lot of exciting new developments and trends are taking place. It is reasonable to expect XRP to reach a new record high on the market. The chart is next on our agenda. Just like I mentioned a few days ago, or more accurately, a few weeks ago, because you are aware that I have been somewhat tracking this since, around the middle of December.